Heritage Restoration recently traveled out to McClean County Illinois. Here, we would restore a pair of 20-foot-tall stained glass windows. The first order of business was to safely remove the glass from its rotting timber frame. The glass was taken back to Heritage's studio in Peoria. It was carefully cleaned to remove decades worth of layered dust and debris. Any points where the leading had failed were replaced. The wooden frames themselves took quite a lot of effort to complete. As mentioned, these large structures were over 20 feet tall and needed to be finely crafted in order to house the various sized glass panels. Illinois is a state that experiences severe shifts in weather throughout the seasons of the year. As such, the wood used in this project was carefully treated to withstand the harsh changes in both temperature and humidity. Now that the glass frames were ready for reinstallation, it was time for the old frame to be removed. As you can see, the old wood was so brittle that it disintegrates on contact. Over the following days, the new frame is installed into both openings. Once this is complete, the stained glass and new storm glass are put into place. The restored windows further beautify the interior of the church, leaving it ready to serve. For more information, contact us at 309-637-5404 or visit Heritage Restoration's website at www.heritagerd.com.